This is the March RoccaBox. This edit is called Female Forces. Let's see what's in here. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video let me cover my address. I have this. So this is the March RoccaBox. Let's get it out of here. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. What would also help as well, if you could share my channel with your friends and your family on your social medias and so on, that would be absolutely fantastic. The quicker we get to 2,000 subscribers, the quicker we can get on with my giveaway. I'm going to link a video here. In that video, it's just going to show you what the 3 prizes are for when we do get to 2,000 subscribers. The main prize is the Glossy Box Advent Calendar for 2021. Guys, it's amazing. So this is inside the box. So we have an extra flap here. And we have this. So this is the edit card. It's got information on all the products that are in the box. So we will be referring to this throughout the video. I'm just going to bring everything up on top so we can have a bit of a better sneak peek. There you go. So that's a little bit of a better sneak peek for you. So in your box, you generally get between 5 and 7 items per month. The price is £18.95 and that does include postage. And yeah, it can range from skincare, hair care, beauty tools, makeup and so on. If you are interested in subscribing to this box for yourself, I've got a link. I'll pop it in the information box and the comment box. If you click that link, you will get 20% off your first box, which is a nice little saving. So back to the edit card. So it just says here, this edit is called Female Forces Edit. And there's a big long note there, which I'm not going to read all of it. Let's just read a little bit of it. It just says, with 5 highly sought products dreamt up by women for women, this beauty edit aims to give women a selection of cosmetics that will support them, pamper them, enhance them and make them feel deservedly fabulous in their daily life. I think we'll leave that at that, but I will do that. So if you want to read all of that, just pause the screen. And we have a sneak peek on the back as well for next month. And let me have a look. Sneak peek. It's an AHA Glycolic Peeling Gel by Jalob. I'm probably saying that wrong, but there it is there. That is what we're getting next month. Right guys, so product number 1 we have is this. So this is by the brand Bloom and Blossom and it's a Wonder Worker Multitasking Balm. The RRP for this is £15 and this is a full-size product. It just says, could any product be more femme appropriate than this multitasker? The female of the species are renowned for our ability to multitask well, so a product that performs effectively on multiple levels as we do deserves a place in our makeup bag. If you're new to the female-founded brand, you're in for a real treat. Bloom and Blossom, dreamt up by 2 sisters-in-law, both mothers, taking inspiration from the chaos of family life with a view to creating skincare and wellness products full of real ingredients that solve real-life problems, which probably explains why this balm is such a wonder worker. It's the ultimate dry skin combination that doubles up as a quick fix for burns, cuts, dry lips, cracked soles, cuticles, you name it. Yeah, this has done the rounds. It really has. It's okay. I mean, it's not okay. It's actually a really good product. But when you've received multiple of them time and time again, because all the beauty boxes seem to be doing the same. But I suppose it's a nice product to get. I particularly find this is really nice on my feet. Second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Jakka Black. This is a liquid concealer. The RRP is £10 and this is a full-size product. It says, in our opinion, Jakka Black represents everything a modern beauty brand should be. Founded by women, yet on a mission to represent beauty lovers of all expressions, genders and identities. A newly launched liquid concealer is already gathering major hype for its power to cover any skin blemish, whether it's redness, scarring, acne, pigmentation, flawlessly. We rate this soft matte finish and its long-lasting power and predict it will quickly become your morning makeup staple too. We were asked a few weeks ago to make sure that we went on our profiles and updated the questionnaire thing that you do, just to give you your skin tone and stuff. So thank goodness I remember to do that. So this is the one I received. I received it in the shade 2.0. Yeah, I put down on there that I was fair light, I think, something like that. So it's in like a lip balmy style. So I'm just gonna pop that there. It's very warm toned, very warm toned indeed. There it is. Oh no, it looks cool under the lights, but when I'm looking at it in real life, it looks a tiny bit orangey. It feels more thicker than it looks. When you first put it on, it looks very liquidy. But then when you start massaging it out, there, can you get an idea of, it's like a yellowy orange colour. I don't know. We will have to try that on the face to say for sure. Product number 3 is this. So this is by the brand Umberto Giannini, and it's blow dry in a bottle, a big shiny blowout. Okay, I kind of like that name. This is a full size, so another full size product, which is fantastic. The RRP for this is £7.75, and it just says, we think every woman deserves this game changer on their bathroom shelf. Think that blowout that only a hairdresser can do bold. That's right, the same level of volume, shine and smoothness that you only seem to get from the salon. Basically, it's as close as you can get to taking your hairdresser home with you. Spritz through damp hair before blow drying with a rounded brush. Apply more where you want lift or smooth. Apply just at the roots if you want the lift, and through the ends too if you want overall volume, if that's your aim. Okay, so this really intrigues me, because every now and then I'll wake up and my hair is just so flat and lifeless and lame. So something that's going to help give it volume would be fantastic. I might have to do a video on that, so keep your eyes peeled. Number 4 we have is this. So this is by the brand FFS, and it is Self Tanning Mousse. Again, it's another full-size product, so that is fantastic, and the RRP for this is £20. It just says, we're all for supporting FFS as a brand, and we love its concept. A regular delivery of razors to your doorstep for a fuss-free shaving experience that means us women don't have to spend time worrying over little things like our intimate grooming situ. Happily, they've also turned their hand to fake tan, and this streak-free, quick-drying, long-lasting, super realistic looking formula is award-winning for a good reason. Whether you receive a medium or a dark shade, we think you'll love the glow that it gives, as well as its coconutty scent. Even if you haven't arrived home from the Maldives, you can at least look like you have. So I mean, it's great, it's a full-size product. I'm not really into tan. I was thinking possibly in the future doing the odd tan video to see how they go. I used to do spray tans years and years ago for other people. I was qualified in it. And I used to tan myself back then. But yeah, I haven't done it in years. Would people find videos interesting if a total novice? That's what I class myself as now, because it was so long ago that I used to do that. Would people want to see tanning videos? I don't know. But yeah, for people who like to tan, this is great. For people who don't, it's a whole big product that's going to go to waste. Unless you know somebody who is into tanning. Right, so the 5th and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Balance Me, and this is Radiance Facial Oil. This is a deluxe mini. So everything in the box is full size, and there's only one deluxe mini. The RRP for this is £16. I don't know if that's £16 for a full size, or if that is for a deluxe. I've got no idea. But it just says, we truly believe that healthy, radiant, well-nourished skin should be every woman's right. In fact, if there's one thing that boosts our confidence and makes us feel our most beautiful, it's clear glowing complexion. So consider this radiant boosting facial oil our gift to you and your skin. Deeply hydrating and skin plumping, it cleverly delivers a burst of intense moisture while helping to fade dullness, pigmentation and even light scarring. The ultimate way to elevate your skin routine, instantly lift both your glow and your mood. I've recently done a skincare declutter, and I have part 4 to upload, and I'm going to upload that any day now, so definitely keep your eyes peeled, because there's going to be a giveaway in that video. And I decluttered this. because if it is what I'm thinking of, if it's a roller ball, I decluttered it because I wasn't keen on the roller ball. It's a roller ball. Yeah, I decluttered it. I think the oil itself's alright, but the roller ball is just so annoying. I might pop that in a future giveaway. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gutted because, like I say, I've just decluttered this and it's back. Right guys, so this is the March RoccaBox Female Forces Edit. What do you think of this month's box? Right guys, so personally I am torn. There are products in here that I just don't want. And there's some products in here that I'm quite excited about. So the Umberto Giannini hair product, I'm really excited to get that. I want to try more hair products from Umberto Giannini, so that's great that I've got that. The Jakka Black liquid concealer, I am excited to try that. I just don't know about that shade. You can see where I've put it there. It's like yellowy, warm yellow. I don't know. I said we'll have to actually try it on the face. The rollerball face oil, like I say, I just decluttered it, so I'm not really happy that I've got it back. That rollerball just does nothing for the product at all. The tanning product, I don't do tanning unless somebody wants me to do any tanning videos. Comment down below if you do and I'll think about it. I don't know. And the Bloom and Blossom Wonder multitasking balmy thing, I mean, it's alright, but I can't get excited about it because I've got loads of multitasking bombs coming out my ears. I am stuck. I'm very, very stuck. I mean, the price of this box went up a few months ago, more than a few months ago. It's a little while now, and we were promised a more luxe box. But the brands in here of what we get in other beauty boxes, apart from the tanning product here, we get that in normal beauty boxes, cheaper beauty boxes too. Let me know your thoughts, comment down below. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.